Hey guys, so I wanted to share this amazing hair mask for volume and length. You'll need an avocado, you'll need virgin coconut oil, you also need an egg and a banana, and you want to put everything into your blender so that you can be able to blend to the right thick consistency. So start off by taking out your avocado and putting it into the blender. Of course, remember to use the amount that you feel is best for the length of your hair and the volume of your hair. I used half of a banana, and then I used about 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 egg, and I mixed everything into the blender. And now it's time for you to blend to make sure that you have the right consistency. And remember, you want for it to be very, very smooth because you don't want to have any chunks in your hair. And once you've blended it and you're sure that it's all nice, creamy, and perfect without any particles, put it into a bowl or a container. And then this is what it's going to look like, and this mask is ready for you to use it. Remember, you can also use the kind of oil that you like, but make sure that you apply it on dry hair because avocado is quite fatty and you need for your hair to actually be dry in order for you to get the best results. So start off by applying the mask. So you're going to apply the mask from the root all the way to the shaft of the hair, and also your scalp. Make sure that it's nice and thick and it gets to every area. And once that is done, all you have to do now is just to wear your shower cap, leave it on for some hours. I took mine out after 4 hours, and as you can see, it actually looks really, really shiny. And now, after I washed my hair, the first thing I noticed was volume, and also my curls were really more defined, and that's what I really love about this hair mask. So once you're done, once my hair had air dried, it was time for me to put it into a protective hairstyle because after masking, I like for it to just remain nice and moist. And so with the protective hairstyle, you can try any kind of hairstyle that you like. For me, I like to just divide it into sections, and I do some nice matutas and some nice lines or cornrows if you like, and making sure that your scalp is nicely oiled as well. So depending on the type of oil that you use. So for me, I had made sure that my scalp was also nicely oiled and my hair was also nicely oiled. I don't know if you guys can tell because I'm not using any lighting or any professional camera. But yeah, so once it was ready, it was time for me to put on my wig because the wig actually just helps. Some days I don't necessarily want to put heat on my hair and I don't want to expose my hair too much. So I just wear a normal wig. Of course, I wasn't going anywhere, but this was just a look to make sure that my hair stays nice, healthy in there as I rock something else on top. And there you have it, a nice, simple hair mask that you can do from home and keeping your hair all nice and healthy.